Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today, I'll show you how to recover your Facebook account in just 2 simple steps. Actually, it could even be done in one straightforward step, and you won't need a recovery email, password, or anything complicated. Instead, we'll use Facebook's bypass tool, which makes recovering your account super easy. If you've forgotten or lost access to your account, don't worry. In this video, we'll focus on setting up a secure password, recovering your Facebook account, and ensuring you never lose access again. To get started, open appdroid.com and look for the post on your screen titled Recover Your Facebook Account Without a Password. In this post, you'll find some tips and suggestions for account recovery. The first method involves using Facebook's Help Center. It's a common approach, but it's also a bit tricky because it requires identifying your account, selecting it, choosing a method to receive a code, entering the code, and going through a verification process. But there's an easier second option. This method bypasses all the usual steps. No verification, security questions, or recovery email needed. All you have to do is download the APK file for the Facebook bypass tool using the link on your screen. This link will guide you to the download page with clear instructions. But honestly, you probably won't even need those instructions because it's so straightforward. Just click download and the file will be ready in no time. The download is hosted via MediaPark, and as you'll see, there are no annoying ads. If you see a small warning about the file potentially being harmful, don't worry. Simply click download anyway, because the file is verified and safe thanks to AppDroid's team of developers. They carefully check every post before it goes live on their platform. While the file is downloading, let me take a moment to invite you to join a giveaway. Details are coming up on your screen. Once the file is ready, open it to extract the content. You'll notice that the application doesn't request any special permissions, so there's no need to worry about security. It's safe and easy to install, allowing you to recover your Facebook account in under 2 steps. After installation, simply open the file, and it will take you to the bypass tool. Once loaded, the tool will direct you to the Meta platform, where you can access everything related to Facebook's range of services. From here, head over to the app's support section to begin the recovery process. Now, scroll down, and you'll find the Help Center, where you can click on specific options to unlock your account. It's super intuitive. In some cases, you might need to verify your account by downloading an app like TikTok. For example, I downloaded TikTok, and it only asked me to install and launch it. Once you've done that, return to the bypass tool, and you're good to go. As you can see, it's a quick and effective way to recover your Facebook account while keeping it safe and secure. So, don't wait any longer. Give this method a try and get back into your account hassle-free.